3 minus 9 gives us negative 6. And again, here we have 3 minus 9, which again gives us negative 6. And negative 6 times negative 6 is equal to 36, because negative times negative is positive and 6 times 6 is 36. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I am going to write here. So according to PEMDAS rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, and then D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses, right? So after we solve the parentheses, we have to solve exponent, and then multiplication and division. And then finally, we have to solve addition and subtraction. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong. So when we are back to our problem, here we have parentheses, subtraction, and multiplication, right? So for those of you who don't know, if a number is placed next to parentheses, that means multiplication. And we have to solve the parentheses first, and then the multiplication, and then the subtraction according to the rule. So 3 minus 9 gives us negative 6. And the problem becomes 3 minus 9 times negative 6. So here we have to do the multiplication before the subtraction, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So 9 times negative 3 gives us negative 54, right? So 3 minus negative 54 is going to be the equation. 3 minus negative 54 gives us 57. So the final answer to this question is 57.